everyone, to another Minute Microscopy. I'm Erik Rosenblatt, and today I'd like to do a slightly different kind of video than what I normally do. I guess you could call it a sort of how-to video. And that video would be the world's smallest functional survival kit. So, you know that little pocket inside the right pocket on many pairs of jeans? What's that for? Well, turns out it's not intended to carry coins as is commonly thought. Although it will hold coins, it was actually originally created to carry a pocket watch. Does anyone carry a pocket watch nowadays? I mean, most people don't even carry a watch of any configuration. So why do jeans manufacturers still include these pockets? Who knows? But maybe we can make use of that pocket yet again. So I figured, why not take the tiny Altoids tin, which interestingly fits that antiquated pocket perfectly, and fashion it into the smallest usable survival kit possible? Like, how much survival shit can you pack into that tiny metal container? Well, let's find out. Okay, there you go. Now, it should be noted that Altoids no longer makes these tiny tins. In fact, they sell for ridiculous amounts of money on eBay. But there are alternatives that'll work well enough if you want to build your own similar kit. I would encourage everyone to put together one of these and carry it with you at all times. All the contents are commonly available items that don't really cost much. And if you have ideas for improvements, please share them down there in the comments. And of course, you should tailor yours to your own particular needs. This is an ever evolving kit, so I welcome your feedback. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video of the smallest survival kit ever made. Well, one that has the potential to work, that is.